Well, on the tractor drive, I got my WD. Haven't had that on a drive for a long time. Not sure who's ahead of me. I think I got an idea. I don't know if that's a 40-20 or 40-10. Got 34-inch rubber, so I think it's a 40. I shouldn't say, I don't know. Going from Oslo to Hayfield, Minnesota, kind of the back way. Have lunch at Hayfield at the bowling alley. And then some of them are going to drive to a local church where they're celebrating somebody's 60th anniversary. So I might do that too. After we leave Hayfield. Why we're slowing up, but that's all right. Let everybody else catch up behind, probably. We just started out, so it's gonna be a shaky video, driving, holding the phone with one hand. Hopefully I don't have a spark plug fall out or points or condenser go. I did bring some points with, but I forgot to bring an extra spark plug just in case. Somebody usually has that trouble. I've never had that trouble, but you never know. It's a small ride because it just got done raining pretty good. So you can tell by the road here. So a lot of people didn't show up. So I don't know if we got 15 tractors. I think we've had close to 100 before, if my memory serves me. Alright, that's all.